This is the VW 2013 top Highland diesel model and Vento 1.5 liter of engine with the DOHC diesel engine. It means double overhead cam with the 105 bhp in 4400 rpm, 250 Newton meter torque with 1500 of rpm, and it has electric power steering. Basically, this is 2013 model of Volkswagen Vento. So right now, as you all know, it is a 2013 model. So basically we are looking after the journal checkup of a car. So this is a, as you all know, in Vento they used a chrome with, it is a look similar to Passat as well. So right now I'm opening the bonnet. This is a stand to hold the bonnet. So this is a 1.5 liter engine, diesel engine approximately, and it is a very good punchy engine. So the main thing we are pointing out to just take good care of your engine. When you are going out, it is very necessary to take a good general checkup of your engine. All fluids has to be on adequate level. Basically this is the oil filler cap which is used to fill the engine oil in engine, and this is a dipstick gauge just to check engine oil level. This is it, and this is a maximum and the minimum level of a dipstick gauge to just check out the level of a engine oil in engine. The thing is, if the engine oil level is on low side, so that would be able to damage the engine internal parts, and if the level on the maximum side, so that would be responsible for damaging the catalytic converter, which is very costly part, and also it helps oil for the leakage, mainly. So the thing is, and this is coolant reservoir, and coolant, as you know, the coolant is used for the cooling of engine to stay cool. That is a main function of a coolant, and this is a reservoir of coolant. As you can see, I'm just screwed up this bottle. This is a coolant, and the thing is, the car is 2013 model, that's why we are not able to see the maximum and minimum level. So each car has a coolant reservoir and the maximum and minimum level. You have to check either the coolant has to be on the mid level or onto the maximum side. So this is the working of a coolant, and this is, as you can see, this is a screen washer reservoir. You can use the cleaning supplement for better cleaning of your windshield. And this is our brake oil. As you can see, I'm just opening up this reservoir. As you can see, the oil level is very sufficient, very adequate. So this has also the maximum and minimum level of a brake oil, and brake oil has to be the sufficient because it is a very useful for braking. So this is the thing, and this is air filter. Air filter mainly is used for the cleaning of air which is required by the engine. The thing is, in this car, this is a Vento, in this car the oil filter assembly is screwed up with the kit tool, so we are not able to open up. So this is the thing which we require to see. And even if you want to see the belts, the thing is, there are alternator belt and the self starter belt, so you can also check the cutting parts of belt. The belt should be adequate, belt should be proper enough to work. So this is the only thing. And if you have a car, it is not a ashamed thing to check the car itself, because this is a responsibility of us, that if we are driving a car, so we have to check the status of a car. That car has to be in a good level to drive. So this is the thing, and I'm just closing the bonnet. So right now I'm just driving the Vento top model, shifted into the first gear of a car, and car is providing a very good torque. Look at the punch of a car. Just seems it has a power. It has a sheer power to the car. It means it gives you the very good power. Even though actually I drove the Honda City diesel and the Verna as well, they have a smooth engine, but this car has a very good punch. It seems like I have a power in this car. So this is a very good punchy car. So you can do one thing, please do the journal checkup of a car. And if you have any sort of questions related to checkup and the technical problem in your car, you can comment on that. So thank you and goodbye.